Hello guys, Mehul back in with another new video. And whenever you are starting a new company or a new business or a new project, whatever, whenever you are starting something new, you used to get a domain or something like that. If it's for our website, obviously you will get domain. If it's for social media page kind of thing, you search for some of the names that are already available. But when you want to create a brand, actually specifically, you need a certain name that has domain space available. Okay. And the name is already reserved, like you have that. Not reserved, the reserved will be the opposite word. Name is not reserved in the social media spaces. So these are the two criteria that you need when you are starting out with a brand, right? Now there's nowhere any way to search them all at once, but recently I got to this site which actually lets you search across all of the platforms if the domain is available or not, and the space for the name is available or not. Okay, so let's see how this platform works. This is really easy, so let's try out a bit, and that's it. So let's just get started. So let's search this, right? This is our today's website, Get Social Domain. Okay. Now let's search some of the names. Maybe what we can search. ABC. ABC. Let's see. abc.com is not available, .co.io is not available, .so is still running. ABC Instagram is available. Are you sure about it? Okay, Instagram is available. Facebook, there is a warning signal, and LinkedIn is available, and Twitter isn't. Okay, so in most of the platform, it is not available that we can see. So let's search something else as well, like totally random. What else should we search? Let's search product hunt. Okay, PRODUCT product hunt. Okay, product hunt dot app is available. Rather than that, nothing else pretty much. I, I don't know why Facebook is too much confused about it. Okay, there is some dissimilarity in Facebook, what I can see. But yeah, what it indicates, wait, let me see why it is saying that both dot so is available and not as well. Let's say PRODUCT dot so let's search it. Let's see what do we have over here. Okay, and as we can see, product hundred so is available. Then that basically means it's available. Why there is a like cross signal, I don't know. I, just because most of them are gone already and dot so is available, maybe that's why. But I don't know the exact thing of it. Whatever. So yeah, this is how it works. This is really easy. Yes, because we just have to deal with one single search bar and type out our name, and that's basically will be it for from our side actually. And yeah, that's basically it about this website. Check it out yourself, because this is really awesome. Because whenever, like, it doesn't happen often, but whenever I am like setting up one of my brand's name, or I am like going through a lot of research for a particular brand, I keep on searching about those, like if that domain is available, then if the domain is available, is that social media handle is available or not. So yeah, it takes a lot of effort to do that. Okay, so that's why it will be useful in that many cases, to be honest, and to you as well if you are starting out. And rather than that, yeah, that's it about this video. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. And if you know some of the cooler apps, great apps like this, which is really helpful and solving a single purpose but still really helpful, so let me know about all of them in the comment section below as well. So bye for now.